Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all. I'm Muhammad Izham bin Ahmad and our group member is Muhammad Faiz, Muhammad ASHRAF, Muhammad FARHAN and Muhammad AZRUL. And we from group I4. Okay. For this subject, we have to do two tasks. Number one is we need to do the writing report for the company. And number two is group discussion and reflection talk in the form of role play video. Okay, so basically this subject will provide 3 learning outcome. Number one is identify the requirement of electrical engineering technology practice through exposure to the industry operation. Okay. Number two is explain the professional experience gained through industrial visit. But for this semester, due to the COVID-19, so we don't have any industrial visit. Okay. Number three, apply the main features of groups and team that affect teamwork or team effectiveness in relation to electrical engineering technology field. Okay. So today our group will discuss issues in Industrial Talk 3. The talk was held on 27 November 2020 and the talk was presented by Encik Muhammad Farid bin Hamidan from Alumni Fakulti Teknologi Kejuruteraan FTK EDZHAM. Okay, so a bit about his background. Encik Farid is 28 years old and he's married already. And he's the first generation of bachelor degree in electronic engineering technology, EDZHAM. He's also graduated from Johor Matriculation Technical College. And Encik Farid has working experience almost 5 years for internship student to become as engineer at Dominant Opto. Okay, Dominant Opto is the one of the big company in our country. Okay, the objective of this talk is sharing knowledge about the working experience and internship preparation before entering the real world of work. Let's start our discussion with my member group. Okay, Azrul, thank you.
Thank you, EDZHAM. My name is Muhammad Azrul. For the talk with Encik Muhammad Farid bin Hamdan, we gain a lot of useful knowledge regarding internship. The first thing that he taught us is to do some preparation before start our internship. For example, we have to prepare a simple yet powerful resume and a cover letter. It is to make sure the interviewer interested to read the resume. Furthermore, it also reminds us to apply internship at all companies that are related with our course. The benefit that we got from the talk, he taught us to always have a positive thinking. It is to prevent the student being stressful when completing the internship. We have to be brave to accept challenges and do new things that are beyond our capability. We as interns need to give good impression to the company to open up their mind that interns are also capable of doing their work.
Thank you, Azrul. My name is Mohd FARHAN bin ADERUS. After attending the talk 3 of Alumni Talk with Encik Mohd Farid bin Hamdan, Encik Farid changed his workplace many times. This is because he wants to gain new knowledge and wants to improve his skill from the company that he had worked before. This can help Encik Farid to increase his knowledge and experience. Through the exchange of workplaces as well, he was able to feel a different atmosphere and get to know many new friends and new workers. He also shared some tips for success, including we need to have target in something that we want to do. Target is something that is important because target will also make us not easily give up in achieving our dream to become true. Target also make us have a direction and we will plan to achieve the target. The second The second tip is that we need to be creative and innovative. By being creative and innovative, it may attract some employers to take us to work with them.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz bin Zohri, and now I will share you addition tip to be a successful person. First, you need to study or do some research or what do you want to do for the next day. Second, be a punctual and always come earlier to the workplace. Third, always record what have you done, and it will be a reference for you for the future. And lastly, always improve your working process, your personality, and your knowledge to become a successful person. See ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. My name is Muhammad ASHRAF bin Muhammad HASBI. I'm from Beei 1/1. We can conclude that this talk will give benefits and awareness to a student. It can gain a better understanding of what they are learning in university, because an internship provides real life experience. It also students to harness the skill and knowledge and theoretical practice when they learn it. An internship can be a real knowledge and theoretical practice. Being successful in the real world can inspire a student to work harder and be more willing to take on challenges or be outside of his or her the comfort zone. It can be hard for a student in their first day of internship. The experience we go through are what shape us. Your internship will not only encourage the personal development, but also a greater understanding of self. To know yourself is to know your goals, how to best achieve them. Finding this level of clarity is difficult, but sometimes all it takes is trying something new out of your comfort zone. Before searching your internship place, you should prepare your resume and browse job boards such as JobStreet or Indeed. Sign up and submit internship application in the middle of semester 7. Other than that, personality, lifestyle, passion and goals. This way a student can avoid spending time and money on training for a career that does not really suit their abilities or needs. Lastly, demanding on job is not recommended, because nowadays it's hard to find any works, and we must ensure that our method is ready and not too sensitive. That is all that I can conclude from the talk.